Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how I do my full cut crease. First I'm going to be brushing my brows. Now I'm going to line the down part of my brows. Repeat the same process at the top, then fill in the middle. As you can see guys, I'm just filling in the middle. So now I'm just using the LA Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn for the down part of my brows, guys. For the upper part, I'm going to be using same LA Pro Concealer, but one shade darker than the one I used for the down part of my brows. So it's actually LA Pro Concealer in the shade Toffee. But guys, if you don't have maybe two concealer, you just have one, you can actually use your foundation on the upper part of your brows. Now I'm just blending in the concealer. Please guys, don't forget to blend after concealer to avoid any harsh line. So now I'm just going to be blending. As you can see guys, always blend. After apply your concealer, don't forget, always blend. Next, I will be applying my eyebrow gel mascara. You guys know I love this mascara so much. It's really nice. Now guys, I'm going to be applying a dark brown eyeshadow as my transition color. So next, I'm going to be applying this light yellow eyeshadow from Huda Beauty to clean out any excess eyeshadow from my eye. So I'm going to be using this eyeshadow primer to cut my crease. So if you guys notice, in my previous tutorial, I always look up when cutting my crease just to get the perfect crease position. So now I will be applying this yellow eyeshadow. Then I'm going to apply a little bit of green eyeshadow in the middle. So now guys, I'm going back to the dark brown eyeshadow I used before to blend in my outer corner properly to avoid harsh line. So guys, I just applied my eyeliner and my false lashes off camera. Next guys, I will be applying a little bit of concealer on my lower lash line to put some shadow there as well. I'm applying eyeshadow on the lower lash line, the same shadow I used on my crease. So next guys, I will be applying some gel liner on my waterline. So now I'm going to be applying my face primer. And my foundation today guys is called Flawless Ivy, and it's very easy to blend guys. As you can see, it's very easy to blend in. So guys, I just applied my highlighter and also my liquid contour. Now I'm applying my setting powder. So next guys, I'm going to be applying my dry contour, and this face definer palette is from Zaron Cosmetics. As you can see guys. So now I'm contouring my nose a little bit to make it a little bit slimmer. For my lip, I'll be using a dark brown lipstick. Then next, I'll be applying this lipstick. Next, I will be using my Usher setting powder to set my face. Make sure you blend very well. Make sure you blend your face very well, guys. It's very important you blend very well. Now I'm just applying my blush, and as you can see guys, make sure you blend very well. You don't have to be in haste when doing your makeup. Take your time. So now I'm just applying my blush and my highlighter. As you can see, guys, this highlighter is also from Zara Cosmetics. So next, guys, I'm applying my makeup face spray. Here's the final look, guys. Please let me know what you guys think about this look tutorial. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you guys in my next